going to prevent the problem I've got with getting dog hair out of clothing. I've joked with my wife, I'll pull a dress shirt out of the dryer and say, did Pooh wear this to the office instead of me? Look at this face. Look at this face. There's the kitty. I get to introduce Daisy to everybody. There's been it sounded like fireworks around here. Not the sound of boom and boom, but everybody go, oh, hi Daisy.
Well, that's because she's the cutest little doggy that ever lived. But guess what? Daisy sheds like all heck. And if you have pets at home, you need one of these. No, you can't eat this because this is to get all the fur out. You can see Daisy's been sitting on this blanket for just a few minutes, and it's already covered with fur. So this could be our clothes. This could be her bedding. This could be everything throughout the house. And what happens is you throw it in the laundry, and how many times have you pulled that out and it's still covered with fur?
How you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I want to introduce you to this special lady. This is Kylie Watts.
Thank you.
Her and my wife are like best of buddies.
Yes.
And they make my life hell. You pick on me all the time.
In the best way.
She is such a sweet woman. You adopt dogs.
Mm-hmm. 4
of them.
Yes.
And she truly loves pets. This is brand new to me. I had never even seen this concept. I want to point out, it's not a lint roller.
No.
It's not a lint brush. It does have a stickiness to it, okay? But the whole idea is that you're going to take this and you're going to throw it in the washer.
Yes.
And then the dryer. If you've got dogs or cats, do you have dog hair in everything you own?
We all do, whether you have dogs, whether you have cats, you know the struggle that is the pet fur, and this is why this was created. This was created by a fur dad who worked from home, and he was in charge of the laundry, and he was tired of every single time he pulled something out of the washer and dryer, it's still having fur on it, or needing to refresh blankets and things around the home, so he created this.
We'll show you how it works. I do all my own ironing. It's just me. I would always have to lint roll the inside and the outside of a dress shirt because it was covered. So here's how it works.
Yes.
It doesn't attract the dog hair to itself. That stickiness that it has is just enough to pull the hair away from whatever's in the washer or the dryer, and then it allows the natural cleaning action of the washer or dryer. Daisy is the only one who's really listening to me.
I'm listening
to you. That's so funny. No, she is. Look how attentive she is.
So you can see, I just dropped this on here, and it is, you're right, Dan, it's enough tackiness on it to attract it to it, not damage your fabrics. You don't have to worry about that. And then when you put this in the washer, the water itself is going to move the fur away. Yep. So I'm just going to submerge it because obviously we can't wash and dry clothes here and show you how that works. So the washer and dryer will agitate it, and all of that fur comes off of it. Yep. What you're left with is a nice...
So it's not disposable like the paper rollers.
You reuse them over and over and over again. The rule of thumb is use 1 per pet, and the cool thing is you get a set of 4 of them.
Another factor, it's a really economical way of getting rid of the frustration of pet fur. Daisy is the cutest little bulldog baby I've ever seen in my life. Do you see that one tooth sticking up?
She has a snaggle tooth, but she has fur, and if you have pets at home...
She sheds worse than I do.
She does.
And we love our pets, we really do. But the pet hair has been a problem. Now, I will also say this, you need to check your lint trap more often when you use these, because you're gonna find that the washer and dryer is now dramatically more effective in getting that pet hair off of your clothing. If you've got something like, we use throws over our sofa, because that's where Voodoo likes to sleep.
Me too, they're all over my couch.
Yeah, so you've got somebody who comes over, I can take the throw, launch it into the dryer real quick and throw this in there with it.
You can refresh it. You can do that.
And it's going to come out without pet hair on it.
With your throws, with their bedding, with your own clothing. So if you put on your black sweater and you go to leave the house and you get the fur all over it, you take the FurZapper, you put it into the dryer, and it's going to help bring that fur out of the sweater. Better than the lint rollers do, and you're not going to have to rewash your clothing over and over again.
She wants it.
I know. She loves you. Daisy is a ham. She is. But this is the thing. Look at this blanket though.
Oh,
now.
it's covered.
It's covered. She's been sitting on this for just a few minutes, and that is covered. So if you have company over, you don't want them sitting on that blanket.
Right.
Take that blanket, with the FurZapper, you can wash it or you can just throw it in the dryer, because look how great it is with the tackiness. I'll drop it on this blanket here. You can see what a great job it does at attracting that fur,
Right.
but not just attracting that fur, it's not stuck to it where it's gonna get stuck there. You can put it in the washer with it, and you see it's gonna just take all of that fur off, send it down the washer, and now you have a clean FurZapper to reuse over and over.
It's a brilliant idea.
It's an awesome idea.
It
If you have
really
pets,
is a great
you
idea.
need to have this.
You're coming back a little bit later on.
Yes.
Daisy, will you help us with some live demonstrations?
I think she looks like she's really into it. She's going to.
I love that dog. Coming up a little bit later on, we'll be talking about our today's special value from the folks at Bissell. I want to remind you of the puppy fur microfiber towels.